Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Surah Baqarah, ayat 171. وَمَثَلُ kafaru كَمَثَلِ الَّذِي يَنْفَعُ بِمَا لَا يَسْمَعُ إِلَّا دُعَاءً وَنِدَاءً صُمٌّ بُكْمٌ عُمْيٌ فَهُمْ لَا يَعْقِلُونَ. Translation of this verse: the example of those who disbelieve is like that of someone who shouts at what hearing nothing but calls and cries, deaf, dumb, and blind, so they do not understand. Word to word translation of this verse: Wamasalu, and the example, Allazina, of those who kafaru disbelieve. Kamasali is like the example, Allazi, of someone who yaniku shout, bima, at what, la, not, yasma'u, hears, illa, except, du'a'un, calls, vanida'an, and cries, summun, deaf, bukum, dumb, ummiyun, blind, fahum, so they, la, not, Yakilun, understand. Explanation of this verse. This verse uses a metaphor to describe the condition of those who disbelieve in the message of Islam. It compares them to livestock that only respond to the sound of shepherd's call without understanding its meaning. The verse highlights the spiritual state of the disbeliever, that they are deaf to the truth, unable to speak or acknowledge it, and blind to the guidance. Therefore, they are unable to comprehend or grasp the message of Islam, remaining stuck in their ignorance and disbelief. The verse emphasizes the futility of trying to guide those who are spiritually unresponsive, just as a person cannot make a deaf, dumb, and blind animal understand their word. The Prophet, peace be upon him, could not make the disbeliever comprehend the truth, as they were not receptive to it. Reason for the revelation of this verse: this verse was revealed to explain the condition of those who reject the truth despite clear sign and guidance. It serves as a reminder to the believer that some peoples are so entrenched in their disbelief that they are spiritually incapable of perceiving the truth, no matter how evident it may be. Event related to the revelation of this verse. While there isn't a specific event directly linked to the revelation of this verse, it was revealed during the period when the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, faced significant opposition from Quraysh tribe in Makkah. The Quraysh were stubborn in their rejection of Islam, clinging to their ancestral pagan belief. This verse reflects the broader context of their spiritual blindness and resistance to the Prophet message, likening their state to that of those animals incapable of understanding their shepherd's call.